Hi everybody, you are watching Vitorials. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to apply the halftone effect to the text. And in the next tutorial we will gonna create this comic text effect. But in this tutorial, obviously, we will create something much more simple, because I want to make it very lean, very fast. Okay, so let's go to my text. As you can see, it's the plain text with the Sweetie Belvin as my typeface, but typeface is not important here. You can use any typeface, and what is important is the appearance and gradient panel that we are going to work with. So if you want to bring up the appearance and gradient panel, you need to go to the Windows Appearance and to the Windows Gradient respectively. So I want to undo both of them and focus on the appearance panel first. And I want to head over to this icon, add a new fill, and by clicking on it you will create your first fill. Let me change the color to, let's say, this red. It looks decent right now, and this will be just the background color for our composition. Next fill will be the halftone carrier. So for the next fill, I want to first apply the gradient by clicking on the slider, and then I want to change the gradient direction because I want to arrange my halftone from top to bottom. Therefore I want to arrange my gradient from top to bottom. Okay, in the dark places of my gradient, where the black is, you will see more halftone, and obviously in the white places you will see less halftone. This is how it works. So I want to allocate my white point, gradient point, into the middle and add another gray or dark point and move it to the bottom. So I want the halftone to vanish in the middle and flourish on the sides. This is what I want. So to introduce the halftone, we need to go to the effects and then go to the pixelate and then color halftone. And here you need to reduce everything to 4. I don't know why particularly this is a 4 in the channel 1, 2, 3, 4, but this is how it works, guys. You need to just, if you want, of course, to stick to the black and white halftone. And the most important part is to choose the right radius, but you can change it then. Right now I want to just stick to the default max radius 8. Click OK to introduce the halftone. And of course we need to somehow tweak this halftone so it will work with the background color as well. So in order to do this, let's select our halftone carrier and go to the opacity. Here you see the blending mode, and from this drop down, open this drop down, and I want to set it to overlay. Right now you can see both your background color and your halftone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumb up, share this tutorial with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to vitorials.net for more Adobe Illustrator and graphic designer tutorials. Thank you for watching, enjoy your day.